Do you want to know?
Kumusta kayong lahat? Welcome back to my channel. This is Rosie Cahanap and that is my husband and my daughter Bella. Say hi! Hi! I have a good news for today. At last dumating na siya. Dumating na yung AdSense ko. So dumating siya 2 days ago. Hindi ako nakapag-film kasi busy ako kay baby kasi vaccine niya 2 days ago. So hindi ko talaga ito naasikaso. So dumating na siya. I am really happy. Hindi ko pa talaga alam kung paano ito i-set up. So hello again guys. So this is my pin. Inside this envelope is my PIN number. So I'm going to open this one and we'll try to find out how to verify the PIN, the Google AdSense PIN. Okay, so I'm going to clear this one. The instructions how to verify the PIN. So it's stated above your Google AdSense personal identification number or the PIN number. So welcome to Google AdSense. To enable payments for your account, please follow these tips. So this is the final steps guys in order that you can receive salary for being a YouTuber. So kung wala pa tayong PIN, hindi pa tayo makatanggap ng sahod at kung hindi pa natin na-achieve yung $100 threshold. So after that, maka-receive na tayo ng sahod. So I think this is very important for us YouTuber na makatanggap ng PIN. So these are the following steps that we are going to follow to enable or to verify our PIN number in our Google AdSense. So step 1, you have to sign in to your Google AdSense account, www.google.com/adsense/ with the email address and password you use during the application process. So step 2, click the gear icon and select payments. And step 3, in the left navigation bar, click account information, then click verify address. And step 4, enter your PIN as it appears on the right and click submit PIN. So on the right side, that is my PIN. For security purposes, I covered my PIN. So that's it, guys. So this is it. I'm very happy. So ayun, guys. Ano tawag nito? This is my journey. I-share ko lang kung kailan ako nagsimula sa YT, sa YouTube. So this was happened November 10, 2019. I joined YouTube November 10, 2019. Wala talaga akong plan na mag-YouTuber or mag-vlogger kasi nahihiya ako, lalo na sa camera. Nahiya talaga ako, lalo na hindi ako marunong masyadong magtagalog. Bakikaw ako magtagalog kasi hindi ako nakastay talaga sa Manila. So I am a Bisaya, Bisdak. So kung Bisaya, marunong talaga ako magsalita ng Bisaya kasi Bisaya ako. So pasensya na sa aking Tagalog, guys. So yeah, I joined November 10, 2019. Hindi ako naging active. Nag-post lang ako. First post was my baby, 3-month-old. Yun, ang first upload ko na video. Tapos, a month ago, hindi ako nagpo-post ng mga videos until sabi ng friend ko na si Jean Ryan, pinupush talaga niya ako na mag-YouTube. So, kaya yun, tinetry ko na mag-post ng mga videos at mag-attend ng mga live stream para madagdagan yung mga subscribers ko. So, kaya ngayon na-addict na ako sa YouTube. So, after that, January, nagpursige na talaga ako na ma-reach na yung 1K subscriber ko until February 28, I reached my 1,000 subscribers. So, akala ko noon, ganun lang ka-easy. Hindi ko pa talaga alam kung may requirement for monetization. Wala talaga akong idea na about monetization. So, ayun, yun, nag-upload ako ng video, pero hindi ko talaga aim na ma-monetize. Yung parang memories lang yung mga ina-upload ko na video. Until may nagsabi sa akin na, mag-live ka na para ma-reach mo yung 4,000 watch hours. Kaya ginagawa ko yun. Malaking tulong talaga yung may mga friend ka na tumutulong sa'yo. So, hirap pag nag-start ka pa lang, small YouTuber ka pa lang, hirap talaga ma-achieve yung 4,000 watch hours pag wala kang tulong sa mga kaibigan mo, sa pamilya mo. Kaya malaking pasasalamat ko talaga sa Team 6, kay The Ryans, Jen Sewell, Apple G, ASMR Lady. So, yun ang first group ko na sinalihan. Malaking tulong talaga sila sa akin until I reach 4,000 watch hours. So, I'm very happy na na-achieve ko yung 4,000 watch hours. Aside from that, may na-meet din ako na grupo, yung United Vloggers. Sumusuporta talaga sila sa mga kasamahan nila. So, I'm very thankful to United Vloggers that I am a member of that group. So, saludo po ako sa lahat ng mga United Vloggers. Malaking tulong po sa akin yun. So, ayun, natapos ko na yung 4,000 watch hours. That was April 6, 2020. So, after that, I applied for monetization. So, it takes me to maybe 15 days. Na-approve ako kay YT April 20, 2020 dahil sa mga delayed. Alam naman natin na yung global crisis na hinaharap natin ngayon. So, that was the reason why na-delayed yung processing for my monetization kasi walang mga nag-asikaso sa mga papers. So, after April 20 to 20, so, ayun, akala ko noon pag monetize ka na, kikita ka na, hindi pala, no? So, sabi nila, pag dumating na yung AdSense mo, yan, medyo gagaan na yung buhay mo kasi mag-aim ka na sa $100 na ano tawag yun? Threshold. So, if ma-achieve mo na yung $100, so magkasahod ka na. So, in my case, hindi ko pa na-achieve yun kasi bago pa lang ako at wala pa akong masyadong nag-viral na videos. So, hopefully, ma-achieve ko yun in God's will. So, but, yeah, I am still happy because na-receive ko na yung Google AdSense. So, I received this one last May 17, 2020. So, thank you so much guys for supporting my channel. So, I hope you still support my channel and I will upload more videos. So, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe the subscribe button and hit the notification bell in order that you will be notified if I will upload new videos. Thank you so much and ingat kayo. Hello again guys. So these are the 73 entries for today. So well, we will see who is the winner. We will only choose one winner, okay? Because we cannot afford. So only one winner. So, sino kaya ang papalari na manalo? Here we go. My husband will pick your name. Okay? Keep on watching.
Hi to the Cahanap TV subscribers. Good luck to you.
Good luck.
Okay.
Luck. Sino kaya manalo? Here we go. It starts with... Hi, Patrick.
Good morning, Patrick.
It starts with letter M. So, wow, we have a winner. Marife Uyanggoren. You win 200 pesos load. Congratulations.
Congrats, Marivi.
Congratulations.
You are the winner.
To you, Marife Uyanggoren. You are the winner of 200 pesos load. So, guys, thank you so much for subscribing our channel. Thank you for all the support. We really appreciate your support and I hope you will continue to support our